Okay, next up in our video series of bath bomb mold demonstrations, we're going to be doing our bat for Halloween. Hot off the presses this morning. This one is a little bit different in that it does have a bottom plate, as you can see. However, it does not have a lip on it. So really this could be considered a cup because it goes inside of your outer shell. Fits right inside of here. Goes all the way up, all the way down. Okay, and then of course we have our top plunger. All right, so we're going to start by putting our bottom plate down on the bottom here, and then taking your outside shell, sticking that right on the top. We're going to fill just a little bit, and then we're going to give some presses because there's some detail on the bottom of that plate that we want to make sure we capture, okay? So take whatever finger you can fit in here. Like in the smaller spaces, just go ahead and use your pinky. And just give a couple little presses down in here, right on the bottom of the plate, because it's got the same design on it that the top plunger does. It's got these little lines in it. We want to try to make sure that these come out. Now, I've never used this one before, so we're going to see together how easy and or hard this is, okay? All right, that's good enough. Now let's continue filling and just lightly just drop. Just let it fall down in there. That's why I use this big container, to capture all the excess, because I don't want to pack my bombs really hard. Nice and light. Okay, give it a little bit of a shake. Now we're going to take our top plunger and we're going to turn it over, stick it on the top of the mold, and give some presses. Again, with the plungers, you can make your bath bomb as thick or as thin as you'd like. It's entirely up to you when you have a plunger to work with. All right, let's give some light taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it upside down. Let's give some taps on that bottom plate. Okay, so now we're going to push up with our plunger, right? So put your fingers underneath there and your thumb on the top of the outside shell, and just push straight up with your fingers underneath that plunger, straight up. All right, and now we're going to lift that bottom plate straight up and off. And now this is the part we need to really go slow so that we can try to get those details out. This is a pretty intricate one. There's that. All right, let's grab our cardboard and stick it on the bottom and turn it over. And now we're going to come straight up and off with our bottom plunger, or our top plunger rather. And there we go. There's our cute little bat. If you guys would like to purchase this or any other mold that we have for sale, I will leave a link down below where you can purchase that at soap-chef.com.